Now we got our hazards on because we know we're a hazard. Yeah, yeah. Coventry Motofest, yeah. Come on! Nearly lost the glove still. All the old cars and that. Mazzolina. Go on. Nice. Very nice. Kali! Oh my. Bare old cars down there as well. All the old Fed cars and that as well. Mad thing. Bare old cars. All the old Jags and that. Very nice. Yeah, man. Very nice. Ooh. Very nice. Yeah, man. There's some in there as well. Yeah. Clutch popped a bit then. I rate these though, these are nice. Banging. What's going on here? What's going on here?
Car wreck.
Oh yeah. What, they're drifting and that? Oh yeah. Yeah man. He's not really drifting, is he? Mad thing. Have a nice day, yeah? Woohoo! Check that for a drop back. Are you mad? Are you mad? Man hit that brake instant, bruv. You know what I'm saying? I need to get that drop back, hit the brake, let it go down and bring it back up. Not hitting the floor, you know what I mean? Let the wheel just float down, float back up. Yo! That drop back felt good though, I ain't gonna lie. Watch the video back and I don't even hit 10 o'clock. Ha! We got our hazards on because we know we're a hazard. It's the boys. But yo, it's nothing but good vibes out here, man. Motofest 2025. Let's get it. Yo, stay tuned, bro. Active. Come on, man. That's bad.